Ladies and gentlemen, so today we have one interesting question under arithmetic progression, which reads, say, for the series 2, -8, -18, find the seventh term. So basically for you to find the seventh term, you basically use the general AP, which is given by this formula here, where you need to identify which one is your N, which one is your A, and which one is your D. So the A is basically the first term, D is the common difference, and N is the term that you are going to find. So you are told to find the seventh term, where you know to say that A is the first term, in this case 2, which will be 7 minus 1, and D is the common difference, which is -8 minus 2, and you get the value to be -10. So here we put -10. So we will say term of number 7, 2 plus, this is basically 6 times -10. So you know that 6 times -10 basically is -60, and when you subtract, you get your answer to be -58. So -58 in this case is the seventh term. Then you are told to say you should find the sum of the first 8 terms. So for you to basically find the sum of the first 8 terms, the sum is given by n over 2, open bracket, 2a plus n minus 1 close, multiplied by d, where it's the sum of the first 8 terms. So the sum of the first 8 terms is equal to 8 divided by 2, 2 times 2 plus 8 minus 1 times -10. So the sum of the first 8 terms is equal to 4. 4 plus, this is basically 7, giving you -70. So the sum of the first 8 terms is equal to 4. 4 minus 70, which is equal to 4, -66. -66. Okay, then you multiply -66 by 4, which is giving you -264. So -264 is basically the sum of the first 8 terms. Then you have one tricky question, which is the last one, which reads, say, if there are 10 terms in this series, find the sum of the first 15 terms. You know that they have told you, say, there are 10 terms. Then why are they telling you to say you should find the sum of the first 15 terms? So in this case, you need to find the 10th term, and you use the other formula for the sum, because regardless of one thing you can do, you can never find the sum of the first 15 terms, because this is a strict statement to tell you, to say there are only 10. So regardless, you should only add 10. The other 5 numbers are imaginary. In short, they are zeros. So you find the 10th term. So the 10th term, you can find it using this formula, because you not say it is the last number that is there in this series which they have said. So you say 10 minus 1, -10, which will be 2 plus 9 times -10, which is 2 minus 90, which is giving you -88. And you know to say, since this -88 is the last number in this sequencing, you will say the sum is equal to n divided by 2, a plus the last term, where it will be 10 divided by 2, 2 minus 88, so it will be 5 minus 66, and when you multiply -66 times 5, you basically get your answer to be -330. So this is how basically you approach such kind of questions. 2 minus 88 is, I've made a mistake, which is 2 minus 88, -86, sorry. So when you multiply -86 times 5, you basically get -430. So this is how basically you solve such kind of questions. Your host, Golden Zulu.